Hey friends, and welcome to the preview video for this month's Patreon tutorial. This tutorial is available exclusively for my patrons, and I hope you'll consider subscribing to access this tutorial and many more. This tutorial is actually a 2-for-1. We're painting 2 cat silhouettes projects, just because I lost part of the footage of the first one, and the techniques that I use are so similar and so the same, so I thought, why not do 2 tutorials in one? So the goal for this month is to play with colors. It's fun, it's easy, and it gives you a great colorful result no matter what your skill level is. So let's have a look at what you'll learn in this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to make a pleasing composition with your cat silhouettes. You'll also learn how to paint the cat silhouettes, each with 2 colors of the rainbow. You'll learn how to blend the colors on the paper and how to turn a mistake into a design feature. Join me on Patreon for only $5 a month to get access to this tutorial and over 40 more full and voice-over tutorials. Hope to see you there. Bye!